Hey, the silent solution where when our playbook running, the time is uh, just error. Say, yeah, for all error is it is again and again, but we are say game content. Here we are the service HTTP. Now we are again play. Yeah, just we are context file problem here. Our file problem is fixed. Now no, it is fixed. I think it's fixed. It's done. Uh, yeah, file is hello. But another problem here. It is another. Just where's man we'll just now fix this issue. Type this contact now will again run pay. Yeah, our playbook is running. Just to change our play here is uh, firewall context and firewall module. Now okay, it's context. This is just two context here is sense. It's okay. Thanks for watching.